Hello friends, I will show you my unique structure mapping technique. After using that structure mapping technique, I am able to generate high risk reward trades like 1 is to 32 trade or 1 is to 20 trade in BTC or AUD NZT 1 is to 10 trade. So I would recommend that if after watching this video, after watching this structure mapping technique video, do go and please watch this one CSF JPY trade video and AUD NZT trade video. Your mind will be blown that how exactly I am what I am teaching is, and I am exactly using the same thing, and how I am able to generate two trades. One trade on 1 is to 32 risk reward ratio trade and 1 is to 10 risk reward ratio trade. So you will see that this technique exactly works the same way. So do watch these two videos after you watch this whole video. Okay. So I was earlier when I started. So when I started the structure mapping technique, I used that IDM and chalk everything mapping techniques. So problem I faced was, see what happened once you mark this as a break of structure. Okay, I mark this as a break of structure and I find this as IDM and all. Okay, so now I'm waiting here. I'm waiting someone around in this area to buy. I don't know where to buy, right? We don't know where to buy. So I used to mark this week as an order block or this area as an order block. Okay, so there were many subjectivities in this thing. First of all, see, and second thing, what happens is, see, if you see from here, it is a breakout structure, right? But if you go back, then you see, oh, this is not a breakout structure. This is just a complex pullback. See, this is just a complex pullback for going down. But trade is not going down, right? It is not going down. But if you see from this area, see, this is again a breakout structure. And if you see from this area, this is a breakout structure to the downside, right? This is a breakout structure to the downside. Now what? So this was the problem I was facing. Also, where to start from? Like where to start? Should I start from this area, or should I start from this area, or should I start from the back, or should I start from the start of the chart where it started, right? Should I start from here? So this was the problems I was facing. So after like having many losses, I developed my own trading, like own structure mapping technique. So I will be showing you my exact structure mapping technique, how it works and how simple it is, how easy it is. That after this video you will say that if this is the structure mapping technique I would have used in earlier, I would have easily made some money. Okay, this is the structure mapping technique. First thing first. Okay, what is a market? See, what is a market? Market is either it is going upside. Okay, it is going upside, or it is ranging. Okay, or it is coming down, right? It is coming down. So I have marked this thing. I marked this exact thing here. This range upside. See, this is up move. Okay, this is one up move. This is one down move, and this is a whole range. Okay, I have okay, I have marked this thing here. Now see, first of all, see this area. See this area. See this area. Okay, see this area. Now see this area. Uh, what what would you do if I say this? What would you do? You will, if I say this is a break of structure to the upside and price is coming down, price is coming down, what would you do? You will look for buy. Simple. You will look for buy and this happens, right? You look for buy and this happens. And what would you do here? Just tell me. The break of structure is downside and the price has come back to the zone, any of the zone here under. Okay, so what would you do? You will look for sell. This is simple. In this theory it is simple, right? In theory it is very simple. Now when we go to chart, it becomes difficult. It is a breakout structure. Now we are waiting for downside and we do not get any kind of order block. See, this price has came below this zone. So in theory it is simple, right? Now I am assuring you that after watching, like once you complete this video, it will be this simple for you. It will be this simple for you. If you watch this video completely, your trading will improve 100%. It is my guarantee. If you watch this video, and you have to watch this video 2 3 times, okay, you have to watch this video 2 3 times. So do watch this video completely if you want to mark the structure like a pro traders. Okay, pro traders mean basically you make profit. There is no pro or no traders. Okay, so if you want to make profit, see now I am what I am doing is, see here. If I remove this part, okay, if I remove this whole part, if I remove this whole part, okay, what will you be do? What will you do here? You will be looking for a buy, right? Because there is a break of structure. You will be looking for this, for a buy in this pullback, right? And see what happens. It is a buy, right? It is a buy. And if I remove this area, suppose if I remove this area, if I remove this area, what are you looking here for? You are looking here for sell, right? If I remove this area, you are looking for a sell, right? You are looking for cell in this area. Simple, and see what happens. It is a cell. So this is the complete structure mapping. In this sideways also, if I remove this area, what are you looking? Once you saw this as a breakout structure, you are looking for a cell. Simple. This is a simple structure mapping technique that we will be using. Now, now there are some consequences in this structure mapping. What will happen? See what will happen. There are a structure field. So what do we call this structure mapping technique? We call this as a TZ structure mapping technique. What is it called? It is called a TZ structure mapping technique. Okay. Now we have some TZ fields. So you have to remember the name because I will say that in this mapping when I will go on the live. Okay. So this TZ structure fails. What will happen? Like what are the three scenarios where the structure will fail? Okay. There are three scenarios where the structure will fail. So first is see here. The structure, it is a break of structure to the upside, right? It is a break of structure to the upside, and see what happens. What happens? It goes down. It goes down instead of, see what are we looking here? Once this break of structure happened here, see once this break of structure, okay. See, it was the market was going up. Once the break of structure happened, see once the break of structure happened, we are looking for a buy from this area. See, we are looking for a buy from this area, right? This whole area is a buy zone for us. But what happens? Price come to this second zone. Price come to the second zone and it goes up. So this is a failure, right? This one is a failure. So first failure is this thing. Okay. Second, now second one is this. See, here also breakout structure happened. See, we are looking for buy. Here also breakout structure happened. We are looking for buy. So we are looking for buy in this area, right? In this area somewhat around, we are looking for buy. But what happens? Price goes below, then it comes back. So now it is what? It is a first one is a structure failure, right? It is a structure failure. And then what happens? Price will somewhat around tap in this area, and then it will go down. So first structure has failed. If you see here, your first structure has failed. Once you were looking for a buy zone in this area, you were looking for buy, it has failed. So now buy becomes sell. Okay, supply becomes demand, whatever you can say that. Okay. Then the third one is this. See what happens. It will go up, it will give you a breakout structure to the upside. Now you are looking for what? Buy, right? You are looking for buy. Now it will give you a sell. Now it will give you a sell. So this structure broke here. You were looking for buy. Then what happens? The structure broke to the downside. Now you're looking for sell in this area, right? And then what happens? The structure breaks to the upside again. Now structure breaks to the upside again, and it created a minus structure here, and it will go up. So these are the only three scenarios. Do watch the video again. Do watch the video again, so you will get a clear scenario. What happens? What are the three types of scenarios? Okay, these are the three total scenarios which we will be facing. These are the three scenarios which we will be facing. Now I go to the USD, same chart will go. Okay, we'll go same chart, and I'll see some monthly chart. So yeah, it's a monthly chart. So now I'll go back. Okay, so we started from here. So what we'll do is we'll start from here. See, we have the back data from here, so we'll start from here. Now what? See the main important point, the important point. Okay, in this, I will go here. We'll create new so that no confusion is there. See what we will be looking in the structure. What we will be looking in the structure is if the structure is the market is going up. If the market is going up, so we will always see the left side structure break. Always see the left side structure break. So it is broken the structure from the left. If you see it's from the left, so it is a correct structure break. Okay, it is a correct structure break. Now again it goes up, so it is from the left, right? It is from the left, so it is a correct structure break. It is a correct structure break. Okay. Now, if it does this thing, see if it does this thing and it goes up, so this one is correct. See, this one is correct, not this one. Again, I will zoom in if I can here. So you can see that, right? What is this? Okay. So you see, this one is correct because it has broken from the left, and this one is incorrect because it is a internal structure which has broken from the right side of the price. See, it is from the right side of the price, but this is from the left side of the price. So we will always look for the left side of the price. Okay. Now once the structure changes, suppose the structure has shifted from here to downside, so now it is again from the left side. You see, it is from the left side, right? Now it is from the left side, so it is correct. Okay, it is correct. Then the price goes up and it's break again. Now it is from the left side, so it is correct. If suppose price do this thing, okay, and it goes back down. So we will take this one as a correct. This one is correct because it is from the left side. See, this is from the left side. But this is first of all, this is internal structure. This is what internal structure, right? And it is from the right side. See, this is from the right side of the price, right? This is from the right side of the price. That is why this structure break will not be considered. Okay, same thing goes here. You can see it is from the right side. That is why this structure break will not be considered. Okay, only this one, as it is from the left side of the trade, that is why it will be considered. It is from the left side of the price. Okay, that is why it will be considered. So we will always take the left side of the price. This is the most important thing. First thing is the left side of the price, and second thing, what are the structure fields? Two things are more important. This structure field, these three structure fields we have to remember. Okay, now we will go here and we will be using line chart, not the candlestick chart. We will be using the line chart. It will make our life more easier. Okay, now we will go and we'll, okay, see, okay, is there a data or something? Yeah, okay. So this is a monthly chart. See what happened. First of all, see here. This is a break of structure. You see here, this is a break of structure, right? This is a break of structure. Now let us continue. See, let's see what happens. Okay. Uh, right. See what I told you. You can see here. This is not a break of structure. You see. Yeah, yeah. This area is not a break of structure. This we will not be considering it as a break of structure. Reason being, why we will not consider it as a break of structure, because it is from the right side. See, it is from the right side of the price. And what I told you to mark it from the left side of the price, right? From the left side of the price. So left side have not broken. Left side is here from the top. See, from the top to bottom. This is the left side of the price. Okay. So this is the whole zone, and this is just a internal structure. This is just an internal structure. Okay. So we will ignore this break of structure. So we'll continue. Okay. Now see what happened. It has broken the structure to the upside, right? It has broken the structure to the upside. So now where we will be looking for a buy zone. Okay, we will be looking a buy zone below this zone. Below this structure break area, we will be looking for a buy zone. This is a discount zone. This is a premium zone. Okay. This is a premium zone, this is a discount zone. So we will be always be looking for a discount zone, or you can go on Fibonacci and you can mark 70% area. So I believe this will come in this area. 70% zone will come somewhat around here. Okay, of this 100%, this let me remove everything so you will get the idea what I am trying to explain. Oh, okay, let me remove. See, this is the 100% area. Okay, this is whole 100% move, right? Whole move is 100% move, right? So this area below might be a 70% zone of this whole 100% zone. Okay, so this might be the 70% zone. So, okay. So now we will be looking for a buy. In this video we will not talk about what is the buy zone or what is the buy area we should be looking to buy or we should be looking to sell. In this video we are only talking about the structure mapping technique. Okay, so this is only about the structure mapping, and your mind will be blown till the end of the video. And I will also mark with this C. If I will mark the up arrow means this is a profitable trade for us. And if I mark with the red arrow, if I mark with the red arrow, this is a stop loss trade for us. Okay, our structure mapping technique has not worked. This red arrow basically means the structure mapping technique has failed, right? I have mentioned the three failures, right? I have mentioned three failures. So any of the one have occurred. This means that. Okay. So now we are waiting in this zone. Okay, in this zone. So for the price to come. So let's see if the price comes or not. See, it has come below the 50% and near to the 70%. Okay, so it will be marked as one zone. See, one point it will be given as. Okay, now where in this zone where we should buy, if you come see exactly to the last candle it has came right on the line in the candlestick chart. But leave the candlestick chart. Where to buy we will discuss in the next video. Okay, in the next video I will give you the order flow and order block strategy where you can look for buy. Currently we are just looking for the structure mapping. Okay, so this one was, see, exact to the last candle it came, right? Exact to the last candle it have came. So this one was a buy, good zone for us to buy. Now we'll move up. Okay, what happens? See, it has given another breakout structure. You can see it has given another breakout structure and price is coming down. So let's see what happens. It comes in a zone or not. See, it has came in the zone. See, it has came in the zone. So we'll give it 1 point more to buy. Okay, one more point to buy. Now let's see what happens. Okay, the question would be, will this be marked as a breakout structure? See, will this be marked as a breakout structure or will this be marked as a breakout structure? Because it is from the left side of the price. See, it is from the left side of the price, right? No, it will not be marked because this is the whole zone. This is the whole zone, and this area is a internal structure, right? This area is internal structure. That is why we not mark. See, our zone is from here to here, and this area is an internal structure. So that is why we will not mark any of the breakout structure in the internal structures. Okay, now we have got one structure break. See, we've got one structure break. After this candle close we'll see what happens. Yeah, okay, we have got the breakout structure. So we are waiting where we are waiting here, somewhat somewhat in this 70% zone area, right? In this 70-50% zone area. But price have came, no, it did not came down. So we will wait to see what happens. Okay, now you see one thing. Now you see one thing. What happened here? Yeah, see what happened. It gave us this, you will be able to see, it gave us a breakout structure. See, it gave us a breakout structure. See, it was a breakout structure, right? It was a breakout structure. So we were waiting here, we were waiting here. So I said we have two zones, right? So we were waiting here, we were waiting here for the price. But did the price came? Yes, it came, but it gave a breakup structure to the downside. Breakup structure to the downside. This was a failure, right? This was a failure. So I will mark it as a losing trade. I'll mark it as a losing trade. Okay. Now what you see? You see that our trend has changed. Our trend has changed because we have a breakup structure to the downside from the left side. We have got it from the left side. So our trend has changed and we are looking for sell area in this zone. Are you getting my point? We are looking for sell from this zone. So let's wait and watch what happens. See, see what happened. See, it came exactly above 50% or above 70% it has came in the zone. So this we will be marking it as a work trade, like at a as a profitable trade. Okay, because it has came in our zone for the sell. If it goes down, it is a profitable. If it goes up, then it is not a profitable trade. So let's see what happens. And this whole is an internal structure. Okay, so we'll not mark any of the breakout structure here. Now you see we have got one breakout structure here. Now see another failure we have, we which has happened. See here, we are waiting for this breakout structure and we are waiting here for the sell, but it price does not come here. See, has it came here? No. See, so we'll wait. See, see it gave another structure point here, this small structure point, but price have not come in here also. So this we are waiting for the point to come. See, okay, now we have got another breakout structure. See, we have got another breakout structure. So we are waiting in this area somewhat around. Okay, price to come. So let's see if the price comes or not. See, the price have came. The price have came, and also you will not mark anything here. You will not mark anything here as a breakout structure. See, this is not a breakout structure because why? Because we had. See, if I remove this everything. Okay, we'll remove everything here. See, the price has came here, so this is a profitable trade for us. Also, this is not a breakout structure. This one is not a breakout structure because it is an internal move. This is an internal move from this is an internal move from this whole move. Okay, it is an internal move. So we will not mark any kind of structure break or something. Okay, the whole structure is here. We are waiting. Uh, okay, we are waiting here and we are waiting here for the structure to move. Okay, so let's see what happens. Video might get a bit longer, but the whole point is to explain. The whole point is to explain in detail. Okay, so that once you go to the chart, it is that easy for you to mark it. So you have to watch the video one or two times. This is the a long video I am making. I used to make 5 or 7 minutes video, but I have to explain something. That is why I'm taking the video so long. So just watch it and watch it 3 or 4 times so that you can grasp the idea what I'm trying to explain here. Okay, see, the breakout structure has happened here. Okay, and we are waiting for in this zone something, right? In this zone something to buy. This area we are waiting, right? So let's see what happens. The price comes or not. Meanwhile, I'll drink some water. Okay, see, the price did not came to the zone and it has given another breakout structure. Okay, another breakout structure is been given, and this is the whole zone, right? This is the whole zone. Another breakout structure is been given. So sorry, this is not the whole zone. This is the whole. Earlier it was the zone. Now it is the whole zone. See what happens now. We are waiting in this zone area to let the price come and see what happens. Okay, no, no, no. no, okay, it has given a breakout structure. Okay, see, it has given a breakout structure. See this. Now the zone has shifted from this to this because we have got one breakout structure to here. Got it? This is the whole zone now. We will be waiting for in this area to sell. So let's see what happens. Okay, price came and yes, it has given a structure break to the downside also. So this was also a profitable trade for us. Now the structure has shifted from here to here. Okay, it has shifted from here to here. And if you observe, we have passed around how many years of data from 1999 December to now we are in April 2006. I believe almost 6 years, right? Okay, so price is coming. Yeah, price is coming. Yeah, see this point has came in the zone, right? See point has came in the zone, so we are looking for sell here, we are looking for sell here, and what happens? See, this is a failure trade. See, this is a failure trade because this was the exact zone we are looking for sell, as it was a breakout structure to the downside, but what happened, it happened as a failure, so this will be counted as a losing trade. So this was a losing trade for us. Now our structure is from this area, okay, from this area to this area, to this area. So basically wherever the price goes from this area. So let's see what happens. Okay, this is the zone we are looking for to buy. Uh, Yeah, see, let's see. Okay, the price has came, so let's see what happens. It goes up or down. We have to know. Okay, okay, okay. See this one. As I have discussed here. See, as I have discussed here, what happens? It will come back. It will go up. It will come back down, and it will go up again. See, exactly this thing has happened. See, exactly this thing has happened. So now this was again a losing trade for us. This buy was a losing trade for us. Okay. So this buy was a losing trade, and now the structure has shifted from here to here, and wherever the price goes. So now we are looking for sell. Not we are looking for buy. We are looking for sell. Okay. So let's see what happens. Okay. So now structure has shifted from there to here. Okay. Yeah. From here to here. Okay. Let's see what price. This is all internal structure, so no breakout structure, anything will be marked. This is all internal structure, so don't mark anything here. Okay. So it has came to our zone. Okay, 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 okay. Wait. See, it has came to our zone and it has given us a loss. It has given us a loss. So this structure marking has failed, and it is saying that I am going up. So now our structure is from here to the price wherever it goes, and we are looking for a up move. Okay, we are looking for a up move. See, we are looking for a up move. So this one is a up move. Okay. So let's see where the price goes now. And this is the area we are looking for a buy. Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens. See. Okay, no, nothing. Yeah, now I believe so. We have got a breakout structure. Kindly complete. Okay. So now we have got a breakout structure here. This was a breakout structure. Now zone is from here to buy. Okay. Somewhat around here to here. This is our zone. Okay. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if we get a buy or not. See, the price has came. Yeah, see, it broke the structure. So now it is again a losing trade for us. It is again a losing trade for us. So four continuous losing trade we have got. Okay, and earlier we got around three continuous winning trades. So let's see. Now we are bearish as the breakout structure is from here, and we are looking for the sell from this zone something. Okay, so let's see what happens. I don't think the price will go up. That yes, it has given another breakout structure. If you see, it has given another breakout structure here, and now zone has shifted from here to here. Okay, so let's see what happens. Uh, Okay, now another breakout structure has happened. See, another breakout structure happened, and now zone is from here to here. So let's see what happens. Exactly, the price has came to the zone and it has given us a sell. Okay, so this is a good trade for us. Another I believe so structure happened. Yeah, another breakout structure happened here. See, this one also happened here, and now our zone has shifted from here to this high. Uh, no, I don't know. See, yeah. So zone is from here to here. So let's see what happens now. Uh, price has came. See, price came and it is going down. Yes, it is going down. So this is also a good trade for us. So let me mark it the first once. Okay. And second, our zone is shifted from here to here. So let's see what happens. Okay. Again, the price has came back up. See, it has came back up here, exact in this zone. So we are looking for sell. So let's see, it goes down or it goes up. So it goes down. Okay, so it has not yet gone down. Yes, now it has gone down. Yeah, now it has gone down. So it was also profitable trade, and our zone has shifted from here to here. Okay, shifted from here to here, and yes, this one. So it might seem a very long video, but believe me, if you see this carefully, you will learn many things. Okay, I already know that how to mark structure. I'm doing it for you, and I also don't know what the next price movement might be, right? So I'm also waiting for you. Like I'm also waiting like you. What might happen? See, we missed 1 year, so price is not came here. So now it is another break of structure here. So we are waiting here. Okay, we are waiting here for the price. So let's see what happens. See what happens. See, this structure was pointed, and this was another break. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so I believe this was a profitable trade. Okay, no, it was not a profitable trade. On candlestick chart, it was a profitable see. It was a profitable trade because if you see the wick has gone below the structure also, but we will mark it as a break even, so we will not mark anything here. Okay. But what has happened? See, what has happened? What has happened is from the left side here, we have got a break of structure to the upside. Okay, we have got a break of structure to the. Just one second. We have got a break of structure to the upside. So now we are looking for buy from this zone we are looking for buy. So let's see what happens. Okay, now we have shifted from bearish to bullish. Okay, on monthly time frame we have shifted, right? So let's see what happens. So it has gone up, and let's see what happens. Okay, see, this is creating an internal structure. We are waiting for from here, like from in this area, and it is creating internal structure. So let's see what happens. I believe we have got the buy. We have got the buy here. Might be we have got to buy somewhat around the areas. The price is coming. See, this came down so much, around 70% test came. So on line chart, we have got to buy. I believe so. Yeah, this was the last candle, and see, this has exactly tapped into the zone. So we have got a buy here. So let's see what happens. Okay, this is all internal structure. Do not get confused. So do not get confused in this whole. Okay, because if you see if I mark, okay, if I mark it from this zone to this zone. Okay, I from this zone to what is just one second, I will mark it from this zone to this zone. Okay, this zone. Okay, so now if I move it here, see, if I move it, no structure was broken, right? No structure was broken. See, now here we got the structure broken. Now we have got the structure broken. So now we are waiting where we are waiting. See, this is a bullish structure broken. This is a bullish structure broken. So now we are waiting in this area to buy. So let's see what happens. Price came, no, it did not came. See, it gave another breakout structure. See, it gave another breakout structure. Now we are waiting in this zone. See, let's see what the price does. See, yes, it has given us a buy in this area. So we'll mark it as this and see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Uh, Now another breakout structure has happened here. One was this one is now this. So now we have moved here for buying zone. Okay. Let's see what happens. And it has gone up. Okay, it has gone up. So let's wait what happens. See, this is the zone we are looking for now. If you see, this is a breakout structure here, and we are looking. So this is the breakout structure, and we are looking for a buy in here, and this is the whole zone now. So let's wait and watch. See, now the price has exactly came to the zone, and yeah, we have got one more profitable trade here, I believe so. Yeah, we have got one more profitable trade. Okay, so okay, I believe that this is too much of the data to show, right. The video will go around 1 hour or something. So we will count how much trades we have got, profitable trades, and how much losing trades we have got. Okay, so from here we will count. So first we will count the losing trades, and I will delete one. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, five losing trades. Okay, so I will write it down. Yeah, I'll write it down simply. Five L. Okay, as a five losing trades. Okay, now winning trades one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, okay, 10, 11. Okay, so it is, yeah, 11. So it is around 60%, I believe so. 11 winning trades. Okay, 11 winning trades we have. So if I consider it 10 also, if I consider it as 10 also, so it is 50% win ratio. 50% win ratio on the structure mapping. You are getting the point. The whole structure when you are mapping. Okay. First thing is this, and second thing, the important thing. If you see what where we are taking the trades, we are taking the trades below the 70% area. See, we are taking the trades below the 70% area now. When you take the trades below the 70% area, what happens? See what happens. Here was right. Now we'll take a new page. Okay, so what happens? See, once you take the area below the 70%, so what happens? You get higher risk reward ratio. See where I have got this 1 is to 32 or something. So it was not the buying zone after a breakout. See, it was area when price came back to the extreme. See, the price is coming back to the extreme. That is why we are able to get high risk reward ratio trades, right? Okay. So now understand one thing. See, there is nothing such as smart money trader, like smart money is trading or anything like. It is not anything like that. Okay, it is a concept. It is a smart money concept. Just one thing, I drink some water first. So the concept is smart money. See, what happens is once this structure is broken. See, once the structure is broken, okay. Now retail traders take. We see, we all are retail traders. Okay, you are also trading with 0.1 lot or 1 lot. I am also trading with 0.1 lot or 1 lot. So the mindset is smart money. See, the mindset is smart money. The trader is acting as a smart money. Okay, trader is acting as a smart money. See, this breakout structure happened here. Okay, this breakout structure happened. So many will go with the all-time high breakout or breakout strategy. So retail traders will enter here. Okay, or someone will get here with the moving average crossover or any stochastic crossover or RSI going above 80 level or whatever. Okay, so they will enter somewhat around here in this area. See, they will enter in this area as the crossovers happens before the breakout. So in this area somewhat around they will enter. Okay, this is the retail traders entry area. This is the retail trader area. But if you have heard about Warren Buffett, so he says a stock market is a device of transferring wealth from impatient to patient. Okay, from impatient to patient. So they were impatient, they saw the breakout structure. See, they saw the all-time high breakout or any kind of breakout or trend line breakout or whatever breakout was there. So they entered. So they were impatient. They saw RSI going up. They saw moving average happening. So they entered. So they were impatient. Okay. Now the patient one, the who are acting as a smart money. Okay, who are acting smart in the market, who are acting smart. Now they are waiting for the pullback. Now they are waiting for the pullback and they are waiting for at least 70% pullback. Okay, at least 70% pullback. So once the price comes in here and they take the trade. So see what happens here. As Warren Buffett says, when everyone is selling, you look for buy, right? And when everyone is looking for buy, you look for sell. That quote is then when everyone is fearful, you be greedy, right? So what happens? Everyone was trying to buy here, we were not buying. But once the price comes in, everyone's stop loss is hit, or either they are break even or they are in the drawdown, right? So now when everyone is trying to sell, oh, the market is going down. See, we have a breakout structure here, internal breakout structure has happened, anything, whatever, something has happened, right? The market will not go directly down, right? It will create some kind of internal structure, right? It will go down. So they will mark it as a breakout structure and then say, oh, this is the time to sell, right? And they will try to sell here. But what happens? Once their breakout structure, see, they will try to sell where? They'll try to sell with the trend line or with this breakout structure to the downside, right? The breakout they will say. But as a smart money trader, you are waiting for the discounted price, right? So you are waiting somewhat around here. And now tell me, what is the risk reward ratio they will get? If so let me zoom in here. Okay, let me zoom in so you will understand it better. So if this is the price moving upside, so what is the risk reward they are getting? They are entering here somewhat around right here, right? At the breakout or here, right? So they are getting 1:2, 1:1, or at the max a retail trader get is 1:3 trade, right? 1:3. This is the max they are getting. But once you wait as a smart money for the pullback, see, in this drawing also there is so much space to go up, right? So you get around 1:7, and like minimum you are getting 1:7 or 1:5, right? And at the most you can go for 1:20, 1:32. I have got 1:32, or you can get 1:20, 1:10, 1:11. See this trade, after this video, once you go and watch this 1:32 CSF TPY trade, your mind will be blown, because what I have explained in this, what is this value, USD CAD, right? USD CAD, I have explained this thing, right? And you will see I have traded the exact same thing here. And this is my first video, right? AUD and ZD. You will see exactly same thing happening there also. It was 1:10 trade, but you see the stop loss was so huge, and here the stop loss was so small. And all of this video I have given my MT5, either the MT5 proof, either the trade is running or I have closed the trade. So I have given the proof. It's not that I am only showing the charts. Okay, it's not that I am only showing charts. I have given the proof. So now see, this is retail trader, right? This is retail trader. So we'll consider the highest of the retail trader and the lowest of the retail trader. Okay, lowest of the smart money trader. So this is smart money trader. So retail trader gets what? Retail trader gets 1:3 risk reward ratio. Okay, so at 1:3, what happens? Let me first, yeah, see, 1:3, what happens? They go for uh, what would be the, we consider as they also get 50% win ratio. As we are getting 50%, they also get 50% win ratio, right? Okay, so we have got 50% win ratio, right? Here you can see more than 50%, but we are considering as 50%. So let me consider as 50% for them also. So 3 into 5 trades out of 10. So they are getting what, 3 5 are 15, 15 trades as profitable trades, right? And now there are losing trades also, right? So 5 losing trades basically. 5 into 1 is equals to what? 5 losing trades, right? 5 losing trades. So now they have in total how much? In total they have 10 points, right? I'll mark it at 10p. They have 10 points. 5 of losing, 10 of this thing. uh, 15 of 15 minus 5 is 10 points. Okay, 10 points in total they are getting. Now if we go for the, if we go for the smart money traders, how much points they get. Now this is the like very optimism, right? For the retail traders, I'm taking 50% win ratio, and also I'm taking 1:3 risk reward ratio. And for smart money traders, I am taking very least, taking very least, so I'm marking is 1:7 risk reward ratio, and I am marking only 30% win ratio. There for retail traders I have given what, I have given them 50% win ratio. Here I am taking only 30% win ratio for smart money traders. Okay, so now what happens, see, 3 into 7, which is 30% win ratio, right? So we are getting what, 21 points. And then there are losing trades. So what we are getting, see, 7 into 1 is equals to what? 7 on the 7. So it's simple. What are we getting? We are getting around 7 minus 21. We are getting around 14 points. See, this is the least. This is the least. And if I go for the optimism part of this, see, we are getting what, 50% win ratio, right? 50% win ratio, and we are getting 1:7 as a trade. See, 1:7 as a trade. I'm not taking 1:32. Okay, I'm taking only 1:7. So see what happens. 7 into 5, 7 5 are 35. Okay, so I'll mark it 35, and then the losing trades, just 5 into 1, which will be giving us how much? 30 points. See the difference now. See the difference. Do you saw the difference? Like, this is a difference. And if I remove this 1:3, if I remove this 1:3, and I make it as 1:2, see, if I only don't do not remove 1:3, if I make it like 1:3 and 30% ratio, okay, I make it that 30% ratio for smart money traders. Now see what happens. See, 3 into 3, they get what, 9 points. And then there are losing trades, so there are 7 into 1, so which will give you around 7. Okay, so now see, 7 minus 9 is 2 points. Once their win ratio decreases, once the win ratio decreases, they get only 2 points at the end. And if we get like 30% win ratio, we still get 14 points. See, where is 2 point, where is 14 point? And with optimism, if we see what, it's 10 points for them, and it's 30 points for us. So this is the mind, this is all about the mindset. Okay, so what, so see, do not trade blindly, or do not use indicators or something. Okay? Just follow the structures we have marked. Just follow this strategy. I can guarantee your trading style will change, and you will get more profitable, become a more profitable trader compared to what you are trying to do on this line chart. And this is a breakout structure, and this is IDM. And see, I'm not saying that does not work. That does not work. That does work, and we can use. We will be using that thing. We will be using that thing. And once we go for the entry model or something, we will be using. But for structure mapping, keep it simple. Because once, see, everyone on YouTube or everywhere, very anywhere, see, anywhere, what they say, show you is this, right? What they show you is this. And once you go on the chart, you should see this, you see this, and you are like, what to do here, like what to do this candle. I'm not able to, is it an inside bar, or is it a breakout structure to the upside, or what it is, right? But what they show you is like this. Once this happens, breakout structure happens, you go for your order block and then enter. And if you see what what I have shown you, I have shown you exact the same thing on the line chart, right? the breakout structure, the entry, what I have shown you in the on this sketchpad. What I told you in the starting, right? What I will show you here, you will see exactly the same thing there. See, exact same thing happened, right? The breakout structure happened, we were waiting, and then the price went up. The breakout structure happened to the downside, we were waiting, and the price went down. So this is a video, I will say this is the video you should watch 2 or 3 times at least to understand what I am trying to explain, and try to apply in your trading style if you if it seems possible to you, or it seems like a better strategy for you. Okay, thank you. You can comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, please like the video and share it to other traders also, so they can improve their trading strategy style, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.